Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. As they always said, though, the story is sweet, though, but the food is sweeter. So I am here to bring the work closer to your doorstep. What you're about to listen to right now is a brief detail of what happened during the Abia State protest as Freeman Nnamdi Kanu and the situation that led to it. You guys know that there is an audio everywhere how Simon Ekpa planned sit at home, but the DOS overthrew and they did their own. And what happened. You are going to get all the update here, and I want to watch the video to the very end. You are going to start with the sit at home that happens in Abia State today, and after which you get all the latest updates. So please sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
The start of April 2023, Global News were reporting from Abia State. You can see this maximum council at home in this side of the world is 100%. Everything is 100%. You can say who are ready to go. They want our leader out, and our leader is coming out. So that about I can say everywhere is shut down. Please, Tosano, let this thing go viral. Let it go viral everywhere. You can see, let it go viral. Very important. Let it go viral. Everywhere is shut down. Let it go viral. The shops are shut down. You can say, let it go viral. Let it go viral. Our leader is coming out very soon. Tosano. They will global news is reporting for far away. Abba State of Biafra land. They will. Today is 3rd April 2023. This is Mazen Namdi Council at home is very tight. You can see 100%. The shops are locked everywhere. This Abba State. The great market in Abba, one of the biggest market. You can see shut down everywhere. Yes, it's shut down. Everywhere is shut down. No negotiation. People are ready to go. Please with them is here to share it everywhere. Let the world know as it has continued. It doesn't matter what they say. Our leader must come out. That's what I want to hear. That is the only deal. Yes, I want to thank our Biafra people. You know, a great Biafra spokesperson, the person of Master Monepa, doing great. You can see everywhere is locked and key. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see?
Why I decide to play this audio individually, the one of Simon Ekpa and the one of DOS, because some persons reached out to me and said that, do you know that Simon Ekpa is the first person that planned protest? That Simon Ekpa is the first person that planned the protest, but Simon Ekpa is the first person that planned the protest. Agreed. Did he give any order for protest? That is the question. Did he give any order for protest? Please, if he give any order for protest, and that protest that happened on Fridays from Simon Ekpa, you also got to let me know. Because I told you that I need evidence, not for you to just talk and talk. Talking will not solve it. When you are talking, back it with evidence. I am here to play the audio for Simon Ekpa, how he was planning that they will wear this, they will wear that, but he never, I repeat, he never approached anybody or declared a protest and people come out in mass to protest. He only discussed it, okay? If you think that I'm just lying, just listen to what he said. He only discussed it with someone about protest and also uniform and all that. Then we will talk about it more better.
Demonstration. This demonstration now, that we do demonstration, I never go before with lion sport and all that, because this is the time to demonstrate. I will use the opportunity this political tension, come out of the street. Yeah. Okay. So we are going to plan it very well. and then make sure that now only uniform wear enough uniform, enough flag, and the uniform that both red and black. Okay. We are the brand of Muguli and so it's in the pass of Sibia. I am by Ofuma Bajana. Yes. I hear all Corona guy and a guy who died in the Moyana. I don't know about so you need a hundred of the Grenada away to the bar. The Mega is there. I can provide all those uniforms. All Polona black trouser now. So we are going to provide all the uniforms and all the flags. I saw Aputa na street Kamado de Kamu. Just like we have done it in the past. Network yes, network yes. Pass out the message to him that we are going to provide those things. Okay, and then Chico, you can make it.
So this is the one from Simon Ekpa trying to plan for a protest in Biafra land. So we have to listen to the one from the DOS.
Before that day now, even before problem they are capacity. Ima no chino kutola na problem ata na echi. That in English, Malaysia na website. Yes, it's 18 criminal charges. 18 that fundraising not against the law of Finland. In that fundraising on a giving and the hatred go na account here. Happy though this came last year, but no, Osborne may arrest, he had him arrest the Adria or Gaboso. Upon him meaning, I got chok, maybe I have to because I put the old one is here. Or who get to go to or make a Nigeria of it today? No. Yes. One of our brothers said, why am I the problem there? Oh, that William. Also, I got boys, hard drug, say, oh, when it's already happened with that. The issue on the side. Yes. I say, let me make sure again. You were on the book. I say, I like it. I buy all an anchor. Or really, upon your like so. I got in case. Yes, they say Hamba, then I have also has a west side here. Listen, I got also. So already more land again near the border. Even and I was I got close to any border. He may see I got close to those places. If violate wala the law. Another all so this one of course. And they didn't have border police or normal their highest level border then I control the entrance. The all risk that the citizenship here. In Finland and Nigeria were 60 years of relationship. Or they can Finland or they risky that relationship because of this guy.
What I don't really understand is how this recording comes into existence. Does that mean that when they discuss with people, they start recording them? For what? I don't really understand. So my own is, why the recording? Why are you recording your brother? Why are you recording your sister? That you have conversation with or that you confide in? That is just what I am consigning. Why all these audios? That is what I am concerned with. And again, I just have to make it clear that the protest that was held, some persons misunderstand it, saying that it's Simon Ekpa that declared the protest, it's Simon Ekpa that sent these people. No. Simon Ekpa have the intention of protest. Let me put it that word. Simon Ekpa have the intention of staging a protest putting on black and red as you listen to in this audio, but it was never carried out. It's just like a plan, just like this is in my agenda that next week or next year I will do something like this. Okay, he has the plan to do something like that, but it was not carried out until the day we see the DOS, the one they did. Okay, because if you really want to plan for protest in Nigeria, you know what is going to involve. You should know better. You should be aware that people are going to go down, especially when it comes to Biafra. So one need to be very careful. And the fact that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu stop every protest from Biafra land, he stop it because he have his own reasons. He know that people are going to go down. So why the protest? Because before you act in this type of protest, you have to have like what people normally say, men or ground. They should be protected. The people that are staging the protest, they should be protected, and it should be legal. You should go to all the uniform men, all the office, all the administrative people in charge, for them to know that you are waging a protest for the release or freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I think it will be so understandable that you've already explained to these people. Now you see the press release from the Nigeria police force saying that it's the protesters that attacked them first. You see that they came with a lot of things. So this is the reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said there should be no protest. He don't want it because he know very well that people will turn RIP. Okay, so this is just my own opinion to everything that is happening. So for people that misunderstand the protest of Saturday to Simon Ekpa confusing themselves, I'm here to tell you that the protest is not declared by Simon Ekpa, rather is from the DOS. So you know the two difference. So not because you see this audio you just assume that, oh, it's Simon Ekpa that do this, do that. No, this is not about Simon Ekpa, though he have a plan like this. He have a plan like this someday to carry it out, but this particular one is from the DOS, not from Simon Ekpa. I hope I have explained something nice to someone, and if you have any other opinion, please drop it in the comment section, because we are here to learn, we are here to listen to each other. We disagree to agree, does not make us enemies. So thank you so much everyone. Please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and bye bye.